Cibecs Endpoint Cloud is a hybrid cloud solution that allows companies to manage business data that is stored on endpoint devices from one central cloud console. One great feature that is a huge benefit to IT departments is the remote migration capability. Remote migration basically means that an employee's laptop or desktop can be replaced with a brand new clean Windows device, and the IT help desk can remotely migrate all of the employee's documents, preferences, policies, email settings, everything, without the help desk having to even touch either device. How cool is that? Let's take a look at the demo. Start by logging into the demo account, and you can see I've got two endpoint devices that have been discovered. One is an old laptop and one is a shiny new Windows 10 device. We can open up the desktop on the old device, and obviously you can see lots of files, etc. on the desktop. We can see things like a mapped drive location. We can see there's lots of content on the desktop in the documents folder, downloads, music, pictures, videos, everything you'd expect to see in a user profile on a laptop device. If I open up Outlook, you can see obviously we've got emails, and we can look at the account settings, and you can see the email addresses, the data files that are being used, PST files. If I compose an email, you can see there is a email signature, and we have a number of email signatures in our Outlook settings. You can also see taskbar preferences, all the personalization you'd expect to see on a desktop. This is the target machine, so this is a brand new install of Windows 10. As you'd expect, there's no data, there's no videos, there's no music, as you'd expect from a clean install operating system. Also, you can see there's no email profiles configured on this desktop. So from the Cibecs Endpoint Cloud console, we can choose to select a migration, and we choose the device that we're going to migrate. And then it's just a case of waiting for the data to move. And obviously, it's going to take some time to move all of the data. But of course, keep in mind that the help desk person performing this operation is not touching either of these devices. It's all being managed by the Endpoint Cloud agent. Eventually, you can see that the migration has been completed, and we can go and look at the Windows 10 device. So first of all, we're going to log out and log back in again as that user. We can see all of the files on the desktop. We can see the network drive that was mapped. We can see all of the content from the desktop, the downloads folder. You'll see the pictures folder is now populated. Signatures are there. The music, all the video content that was on the Windows 7 machine. If we launch Outlook, again, we'll see that there is now an Outlook profile. And of course, we've got all of our previous content that you would have expected to see. If we go and look in the account settings again, we can see we have our data files, including the old PST files I've come across. And if we start a new email, we can see we've got our email signatures. They've all come across, all of the settings that we would have wanted to be migrated. And of course, the taskbar icon preferences have also been migrated. Now, wasn't that the easiest desktop migration you've ever seen?